Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Bicho's collection. But before we get into this, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And also guys, if you haven't already, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Parachner. It is a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. So make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. I will have his links, as always, not only down in the description below, but also in the end cards. And well guys, let's get into this. Okay guys, so we have everything out of the plastic and now it's time to have an up close look at the magazine. So let's go ahead and let's open this up. Here it talks a bit about our new bug. It gives a little description, a little bit about their habitat, as well as other observations, and it shows us piece for piece all their parts in the slide. And here it gives their scientific classification. And here it talks about mosquitoes, those bothersome little things that seem to love to drink your blood and fly in your face. And here it says they're like little airplanes. Here it shows all the parts. It talks about the larvae here, so they're babies. And here it says, no geographical limits. And this is absolutely true. They exist in the US, but I can tell you guys for sure, they also exist here in Buenos Aires, Argentina as well. They're freaking annoying. These are one bugs I can honestly say I do not like. You can see they live all over the world in all kinds of different habitats. A double life, it says. Here it says the blood has a price. Because yeah, these guys like to suck on blood, but sometimes they can get sick from it. And their main predators are birds that eat insects, bats, spiders, and fish. There you can see a little bat there, eating some bugs. And they mainly feed off of mammals, birds, and, well, obviously humans. Here it talks about how they fly. Little but dangerous. These guys have a lot of diseases, so you have to be careful. Here we have some puzzles. A little quiz, like always. And well guys, that's the end of that. Now it's time to check out our brand new bug. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Okay guys, so we have the bug out now. He looks really awesome. What do you guys think about him? Tell me down in the comments below. I like all of his white splotches all along his back. It looks really cool, and his antennae are so long that they wrap around his body. Do you see that? See, they're right here. The ends. That's crazy. You can see a bit his face there. There's his underside. Oh, he has some white here too. Really crazy looking. What do you guys think? I don't know, he looks really kind of awesome. I really like him. And guys, of course, if you like this collection, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And guys, of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. So make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. I will have his links not only down in the description below, but also in the end cards of the video. And well guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye.